Thinking about joining Coursiv to master AI tools in 28 days? Let's look at the real facts. So, Coursiv is a legitimate AI educational platform built primarily for beginners. It breaks down major tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude into bite-sized 5 to 10 minute daily exercises. If you find AI overwhelming, the gamified lessons and structured prompt writing practice genuinely work well. Intro pricing looks highly accessible, offering with a $6.93 1 week trial or a 19.99 4 week plan. So here's the catch. The complaints are heavily stacked against their checkout process. So users report getting hit with unexpected upsells and buried subscription terms that automatically renew at $39.99 every 4 weeks. Getting a refund out of their support team is notoriously difficult. Additionally, if you already know how to use basic AI tools, the material will feel incredibly superficial. So, Cursive is a great tool for complete tech novices who need an easy hand holding guide. Just be careful with the auto renewals at checkout or just use free YouTube tutorials instead.